$200 monthly to Starbucks feels normal, but costs you $2,400 annually without adding real value. Pay attention. This is called the golden handcuff effect explained. Look at your actual spending patterns and bank statements. Starbucks structured their pricing at $200 specifically to exploit. Why? Your employer. Your brain processes this amount as acceptable routine spending instead of evaluating the cumulative annual cost of $2,400. They tested multiple price points and found $200 sits in the sweet spot, where customers don't question value seriously. The psychological framing makes you treat this as a fixed necessary expense like utilities when it's actually discretionary spending that compounds into major wealth. This is critical. You're paying $200 monthly to Starbucks for a total of $2,400 this year. Verizon provides the same core functionality for $100 monthly, or $1,200 annually. The $100 monthly difference equals $1,200 in pure overspending from brand loyalty and psychological pricing manipulation alone. Over 5 years you're losing $6,000 to this single bias. Multiply that across the 8 subscriptions average Americans maintain, and you're bleeding $48,000 in wealth that could generate compound returns. Cancel Starbucks and switch to Verizon or eliminate entirely. They lose. You win. Last hit. $1,200 annually recovered by spotting psychological pricing. I expose the whole playbook on my page.